Welcome back. We are in the worksheet 12 geometry, the second part, in which we are given as AD is a median of triangle ABC with G as a centroid. So as you know that centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. AG is given to us is 12. That means 2:1 part is 12:x. So what part of x when we double we get 12. So 6 when we double we get 12. So directly we can write 12, half of 12 is 6. So the ratio is 2:1. Find the value of y in the following figure. So this is quite easy. Find the value of y in the following figure, because they are from the same point and the angle at the center and formed in a angle formed in same segment are equal. So if this is 60 degree, this is y degree, hence therefore y degree is equals to 60. Now answer shortly. The radius of the circle is 5 centimeter, length of one of its chord, so this is called as chord. Find the distance of the chord from the center. So AB chord is 8 centimeter. We make AC is equals to AB by 2, which becomes 8 by 2 as 4 centimeter. So AC is equals to CB is equals to 4 centimeter. AC is also 4 and CB is also 4. So as we know, this is a right angle triangle. 5, 4 and 3 are Pythagorean triplet if you know it. If you don't know it, we follow Pythagorean formula. So OA 5 square, AC as it is, OC square. So 5 square is equals to AC, we know 4, and then we find OC to be by calculation as 3. Distance of chord from the center is 3 centimeter. Now next we are coming to question number 12. Find all the angles in the quadrilateral ABCD in the given figure and also check whether ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral or not. So as we know it is a cyclic quadrilateral, we find angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is equals to 360 degree. We add all this, becomes 360. It should become 360. So 4x plus 2x plus 3x plus 3x becomes 12x, plus 10 and minus 10 being cancelled, plus 2 and minus 20 being cancelled. This is not cancelled. So 12x equal to 360, x equal to 360 by 12, therefore x is equals to 30 degree. As x become 30 degree, angle A we substitute as given in the question, 4x minus 10, so it becomes 110. Angle B after calculation becomes 80. Angle C, 3 into 30 minus 20 is 90. So I am hurrying up just because there are many videos to upload. So angle D is equals to 3 into 30 plus 10, so 90 plus 10 is equals to 100. Okay. A chord is 7 centimeter away from the center of the circle of radius 25 centimeter. So as you know, radius is this and center distance from the center is 7 centimeter. Find the length of the chord. To find again length of the chord, we have to double in the end. Okay. In rest of the three questions, if we find radius, we don't double. If we find length from the center, we don't double. But length of the chord, we have to double because we are in this triangle. So as you know, 24, 7 and 25 are the Pythagorean triplet. So if you don't know, you have to calculate. So OA square is equals to OC square plus AC square. So 25 square is equals to 7 square plus AC square, which is nothing but 625 minus 49 AC square. So 576 is equals to AC square. AC 576 is a square of 24. Therefore length of the chord is equals to 2 into 24, that is 48 centimeter. So I don't want to waste the time in stating that these two data are not adequate. The question, they have not given enough value to find the. So if you like the video, please subscribe for many other updates. Thank you.